Ready to boost your app's ratings and get more visibility on the Google Play Store? Let's dive into integrating Google Play and app reviews into your Unity Android project. Step by step. First, you'll need the Google Play and app review asset from the Unity Asset Store. Search for it and import it into your project. Next, navigate to the Android Resolver. You can find it under Assets, then External Dependency Manager, then Android Resolver, and finally Resolve. This resolves any Android dependencies for the plugin. Now, create a new C# script or modify an existing one where you want to trigger the review flow. For example, after a user completes a level or a certain action within your script, initialize the Play Review Manager, request a review information object, and then launch the review flow using the launchRevFlow method. Make sure your Unity project is set to build for Android. Then build and test the app on an Android device or emulator connected to the Google Play Store. Trigger the review flow in your test app to see the in-app review dialog, and there you have it. Google Play in-app reviews are now integrated into your Unity project. This simple addition can greatly improve your app's visibility and user feedback.